This is Shiv and welcome in TNT tutorial, which stands for Twixtors and Twitches tutorial. So Twixtors are nothing but the smoothness in your clips and Twitches means shakes. So let's begin with Twixtors. I'll tell you three types of Twixtors, which is velocity, the smooth Twixtor at the end, and the smooth slow Twixtor at the end. So there are three Twixtors. Let's search for Twixtor. Okay, if you do not have Twixtor and Twitch plugin, just comment down if you're watching on YouTube. I'll send you my Discord link and then you can join my Discord, or if you're on Instagram, just DM me for the plugins. Okay, before drag and dropping this Twixtor, let's turn on our motion blurs for the grip clips and make sure to double click on this icon. It's called uh, frame blending. Okay, double click on the frame blending. You should see this type of icon, the arrow. Okay, this is important. Now we have the three clips here. Let's smooth them with Twixtor first. The first type of Twixtor is velocity Twixtor. So I've drag and dropped my Twixtor. Just change motion sensitivity to 100 and turn on the toggle switch for speed and select the layer and press U on your keyboard so you'll be able to see this keyframe. Zoom in and move your cursor one keyframe ahead and change value to 200. Then go to the center of your clip approximately and change value to 40. Then go to the end of the clip and change value again to 200. So basically we have these three keyframes. So select them, press right click on keyframe and go to keyframe assistant and then select easy ease. But there is a shortcut for it. Just select these keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard so it will easy ease them. Okay, so let's go to graph editor and copy my graph. It should look like a bowl. Not too tight and not too loose. Okay, this is better. Now let's see our first Twixtor. This is velocity Twixtor. You can see this smoothness at the center of the clip. Now let's do kind of Twixtor which is fast at the ending. It's used in the simple transition edits of the reels, which includes shakes as well. Drag and drop your Twixtor. Again, turn this motion sensitivity to 100 and turn on toggle switch for speed. Press U, go one keyframe ahead, change it to 200. Go to the center of the clip, make it 40. Go to the end of the clip and this time make it 10. Okay, select this clips, select these keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard. Go to the graph editor. Here, your graph should look like this. Now copy my graph. That's it. So this is fast at the end, will be fast at the end. Now let's see how it looks. You see the smoothness over here? So that was our Twixtor. Now it's time for the third one. Let's drag and drop our texture and come to the beginning of the clip. Motion sensitivity 100. Turn on toggle switch for speed again and press U on keyboard. Go one keyframe ahead. Make it 200. Come to the center of the clip and make it 40. And as previous one, make end clip, end keyframe 10. Easy ease them by F9. And this time we're gonna do a different graph. Just copy my graph. Okay. Now let's see how it is. Extreme slope. That was our third Twixtor. Most of the people use this extreme slow Twixtor with blur more curves, which looks great with the flash. That was our three Twixtors. Hope so your Twixtor doubt is clear. It is very easy. Now let's start with the Twitch. I'll pre-compose it before applying Twitch. That's my habit. It totally depends on you. Turn on the motion blur again and search Twitch. So here you see Twitch, drag and drop it to the first clip. Now I'll tell you three types of Twitches, which is basically first one is Twitch at the end, beginning and ending. Second will be Twitch at the beginning, and third will be Twitch at the ending. So it's your choice which Twitch you like. Turn on toggle switch for amount and make speed 40 or 50 if you want very hard Twitch. Press U on your keyboard and just drag this to the center and change amount to 0. Then go to the end and change amount to 100 again. Okay. Now let's select all these keyframes and press F9 to ease them. And again, copy my graph. Uh, Not too tight. Okay, better. Now let's see how our Twitch works. Before that, go to the enable here and select this blur, light, scale, and slide. So we successfully added our elements to the shake. Now let's see how it looks. Our first Twitch is ready. Go for the second one, which is Twitch at the beginning. So let's drag and drop our Twitch. Click this toggle switch for amount to make speed 40. Make sure that your cursor should be at the beginning of the clip. Okay, I have the 100 at the beginning and 0 at the ending. Select them both and press F9 and copy this graph. Okay. Now enable the things blur, light, scale, slide. Now let's see the Twitch at the beginning. That was the shake at the beginning. Now let's move to the shake at the ending. Select this, apply Twitch, turn on amount, press U, We want this at the end now. 100 at the end and 0 at the beginning. Select this both and press F9. Go to the graph editor and copy my graph again. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, enable this. Without enabling these things, your Twitch won't work. Okay, I also forgot to change the speed. Make it 40. Done. That's the Twitch at the end. Hope so you like this tutorial and you got clear thing how to use Twixtors and Twitches. That's our end product. That's it for now. If you want any other tutorial, you can comment down and I'll try to cover it. Okay, bye.